Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold setup and the result. This is actually the chart that I made over the weekend. So see on the 7th September, right? So that was Saturday, right? So saying that this is a very, very good setup, right? And it is going to go from here to there. And this is wave one, two out of wave five. And we're going to be going up for wave three, then followed by wave four, wave five. So far, this chart, I have several trades going to the upside. This was one of them, and then again one, and then again one. And so far, we are at this level here again. So you can see this high has been like very stubborn, right? This one, this one, this one, this one, and now we are back there. So I still, I had a long, I closed that, but I opened another entry here, and then I'm sitting here. So, whoops, this is the long on Bitcoin. Okay, forget about that. So yeah, so this one, if we break, we can go easily there. Now, 30 minutes, maybe 40, 50 minutes now. From now, we have CPI, US CPI red news. So that might do the job, and we might be able to break this and go to the upside. Right. So be aware of that, and then trade accordingly. Use whatever the system you use. I'm using mine and my system. Let me show you the trade that I took this week so far. And you can see here, this is UJ on the 9th. The week started at 9, right? To the 9th, this one for 80 pip going to the upside. This one is CAD yen for 50 pip. This one is gold. This was one of them going to the upside starting this week. I just showed you the chart, right? So this is the first entry. And this one, pound yen going down for 60 pip. This is Bitcoin going big time to the upside. This is pound yen going down for 130 pip. And this one is on the 9th gold again. That was the first entry, cash out. Then this is that was the first entry from here. It's a higher time frame. This was an entry. Then the second entry, I took this one from the other account, and then I closed both around 25.13. All right, so this one, you can see that here, another entry here. Well, this one was the first one, and the one I just showed you was this one, right? So they are just upside down. And Euro Yen going down for this beautiful entry. Every entry is by the book, by the setup. For 135 pip, and this is UJ for 100 pip, and this is CAD Yen for 90 pip. See how many trades in 2 days only, Monday and Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Right. So now this Bitcoin, I just, it's a small trade, and then I closed it here because I just wanted to show the entry, the perfect entry. How does it look like from this time frame chart, right? This box size. So beautiful by the book entry opened by the EA. You can see the small arrow here. So, and then EA is posted right. So the EA automatically opened the trade, and then it took it over there. And sometimes, remember I just showed you a big one, right? Gold again, and this one, another one. The last entry that I had, which I closed, is this one from here to here, right? And now, actually, this one, no, this wasn't the last one. No. Okay, this is the last one, right? So basically, let me see. This one, I think I recorded. This one is from 2513, right? And this one is so okay. Same entry. It went up, down, up, down, up, down, all the way to close it to 2525 because 2528 is that level, the big level that keeps stopping it. So I closed this one, but I opened another one. It dipped, and then I opened another one. And right now I have that running. So let's see what happened. Bitcoin here went up there. Then this was the first entry from here, second entry from here, and then still not still that I this one I closed as well. So all of the trades except one gold one, I have it open right now before the CPI, and I'm gonna hold it to see if we can break that 25.28. If not, this oh no, this is our recording chart. So this one, so we need to break that to go to the upside. If not, then I have a tighter sell. I'll get out easily, no problem. All right, so this is how it is. And if you like what you saw, you can go on my website. You can see all the trades posted here and whatnot, different programs, subscription, one-on-one coachings. My robots are available here. My son just started this new Telegram signal service, right? I have the Telegram where I post heads up and all of that, but he decided to do it. So he's, it's like, okay, no problem, do it. Of course, I'm going to help him all the way. But he's doing it manually. Most of my trades are taken by the EA, right? But he will be up and running from London session, US session, and posting some good trades with SL and TP and all of that, right? So this one is for now is $47, very cheap. Let me just take you to that page. You see this one, he's planning that just like my monthly subscription for $77. But now until Sunday, midnight, it is $47. And this is going to be a good one. So, yeah, join if you want, right? And before Sunday, so you will have it's only $47 a month, right? And the trades, not all the trades that I just showed you are gonna be he's gonna be posting because, like I said, most of my trades are taken by the EA while I'm away or I'm sleeping and he's not there. But some of those will do the job, right? Even few trades from there, you will have a couple of hundred pip every week, easy. All right, so this is it for now. Like I said, that join whatever suits you from here. Subscription, monthly, 6 week, yearly, lifetime, all of that. Different packages I have here. Different. Where are they? Let me show you. Here, combos, right? So, for example, these combo one, combo two, three, right? So whichever you need, you can join and take it from there. All right. So this is it for now. Let's see what CPI is gonna do and how my gold entry is gonna fly or not. Let's see. Okay. So I'll show you the results later on. So talk to you guys later and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.